Come take a look at this new 2011 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive truck. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. This Tundra 4-wheel drive truck boasts a 4.6-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the cold weather package, AM/FM stereo with CD/MP3 player, PW or heated mirrors, bedliner, daytime running lights and the tow package. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.